Hello and welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Day Against Trafficking. World Day Against Trafficking is marked annually on 30 July. The day aims to make people aware of those who are being trafficked and taken away without consent. The theme for World Day Against Trafficking 2022 is Use and Abuse of Technology. This year's theme focuses on the role of technology as a tool that can both enable and impede human trafficking. Now moving on to the history. In 2010, the United Nations General Assembly adopted the Global Plan of Action to deal with trafficking in persons. The plan is aimed at integrating the fight against human trafficking into the broader programs of the United Nations. To fight this heinous crime, in 2013, the United Nations General Assembly declared 30 July as the World Day Against Trafficking in Persons. This resolution declared that such a day was necessary to raise awareness of the situation of victims of human trafficking and for the promotion and protection of their rights. Now let's discuss about trafficking in persons. It is a serious crime and a grave violation of human rights. Every year, thousands of men, women and children fall into the hands of traffickers in their own countries and abroad. People are trafficked for multiple reasons: sexual exploitation, forced labor, forced begging, forced marriage, selling children as child soldiers, as well as for the removal of organs. Sexual exploitation is the most common form of exploitation, followed by forced labor. Since 2003, the UN Office on Drugs and Crime, that is UNODC, has collected information on about 225,000 victims of trafficking detected worldwide. In 2016, the total number of detected victims reported to UNODC was 25,000.